Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you this look, this eye look, and I know it's a little bit similar to the blue tutorial eye thing that I did in my previous video. No? A while ago. I did kind of similar makeup look, but I'm trying to But the thing is, I'm going to try out this palette, BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette, and I'm actually thinking of doing 3 to 4 looks that I'm going to film, and I'm going to start with this blue eye tutorial. I know it's a little bit similar to the one I did anyways, a while ago. I did a pretty similar makeup look, but I'm thinking I'm going to do a blue makeup tutorial, a purple, yellow, anyways, using this palette, and it's actually the first time I'm trying it out, so it's going to be like a first impression, as well as I'm going to show you how I created this look. If you want more videos of me using this palette, which I, by the way, think is great, then let me know in the comments. Also, all the products are going to be linked down in the description, so if you find anything interesting, just check out my bio. Anyways, if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Yes. Okay, so I already concealed my brows and no, wait. What? So I already concealed my eyelids and did my brows. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this dark blue shadow right here. I hope I can zoom in and like show you guys exactly which shade I use. And I'm going to use this brush also from BH Cosmetics in, I don't know if it has a number. Yes, in number 8. And I'm just going to place this all over my lid. It's so good that this palette has a mirror, so I'm going to take this shadow and apply all over my eyelid, and I'm going to try to not drag it up as much to the brows because I'm going to blend this color out later with a lighter color.
Hey, listen to what I say. We won't tell nobody, yeah, we won't tell nobody. Listen to what I say, let's get to it, and we won't tell nobody, yeah, we won't tell nobody.
And now I'm going to use a lighter color. It's right beside the color that I just used, and I'm using this from the same like series, but in number 5. And I'm going to take this color and blend those two colors together and drag it more upwards to my brows. And I love how easy the color is to work with. It blends super nice and it's just like a perfect drugstore palette. So I'm just applying the shadow onto my brush and then I'm blending.
I need to keep myself alive, but I don't need to kiss you. Hey, we can make it tonight, baby, that's just fine.
Now I'm going to carve my inner corners of the eye. I'm doing the other eye later off camera, I think. But I'm going to use a brush. It's in the number 9, and I have my concealer on my hand. And I'm taking a small amount on the brush and carving out my inner corner.
That's just fine. Don't know what I'm doing. Feel like I am going crazy. Keep it down. You look good, you know it. I can tell you're soaking up all of it now.
Now I'm going to press the concealer in so I can apply some glitter, and I don't want it to blend together with the eyeshadow, so I'm just pressing the concealer in very lightly. And now, I always start like that, and now, ugh, and the voice too, ugh. I'm going to use this glitter from NYX Professional Makeup Pigments. It's shade or something? Okay, thanks for that. It's in the shade Pig, number 20. I'm going to use this and put over the concealer that I just carved. I'm just going to take this like this. Yes. I'm basically just like dipping the brush. And this glitter goes everywhere, so I have to clean this up later, but I'm just pressing it in.
I can tell you're soaking up all of it now. Hey, 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 listen to what I say.
I'm taking this brush as I used in the beginning, number 8, BH Cosmetics. I don't know how many times I've said that now, but I'm going to take this brush and dip into the darkest blue that I used in the beginning. I'm going to blend this carefully out with a concealer so it doesn't look like a harsh line where I apply the concealer. So I'm blending this very carefully.
Listen to what I say.
For my lower lash line, I'm going to use or do the same thing as I used on my eyelids. I'm going to take the darker color, the darker blue color at first at my lower lash line, and then I'm going to blend my lower lash line with a lighter blue. Oh my god, I was about to say and now. Oh my god, I need to stop. Drinking game. Take a shot every time I say and now. Woo, woo. You get wasted. Now I'm going to do an eyeliner. I know that in my last blue halo eye look that I didn't use an eyeliner, but just for the fun of it, I'm going to do it in this tutorial.
But I don't need to kiss you. Hey, we can make it tonight, baby, that's just fine. Don't know what I'm doing, feel like I am going crazy. Keep it down. You look good, you know it. I can tell you're soaking up all of it now.
Peace. I don't think I can do a better eyeliner than this, so I'm just gonna work with it. Not gonna go in too much because then I'm going to mess it up. I'm going to use this mascara. It's from Maybelline.
Nobody, yeah, we won't tell nobody.
For lashes, I'm actually not gonna use my favorite Ardent lashes that I use every time. I'm actually going to spice it up a little. No, what? I'm actually going to use this pair of lashes from Your Lashes in the shade and they're called Kiara, and this packaging is really pretty at first, but mine is really nasty. So. Okay, I'm just kidding. I'm going to do this eye, probably my base, and then I'm going to come back and do my lashes and lipstick. This is probably gonna take a while, so let's get right into it. Okay, that took a little bit of time, but I'm back. I'm done with this side as well. And now I'm going to put on some lashes. I'm super excited. I have my pinset here. Or excited. Also, what do you guys think about Shane Dawson's new series, documentary with Jeffree Star? I don't know. I personally, I mean, it's definitely interesting. I watched it the second it came out. I'm going to watch the whole thing. I know that, but I don't know. I'm like, he kind of already done a series with Jeffree Star, and also means like doesn't complain because it's super interesting. So why not a second one? The thing with Naked Tutorials and Too Faced was like, okay, the tea was like spilled all over the place.
We won't tell nobody, yeah, we won't tell nobody, I say, let's get to it and we won't.
But a little bit hard to put on. And my eyeliner just faded away. Thanks for that. Put a lot of time and effort to that. I mean, from this to this. Okay, I'm done with my lips. The last thing I did was apply this Filler Instinct gloss / lip plumper from NYX Professional Makeup, and that's the last thing that I did, and I'm done now, and my room is a mess, so I'm going to clean this as soon as I put the camera down. But before we say goodbye, I just want to say that I love this palette. From what I've used, I've only used like 3 colors, but I can say that I love this palette. I think it's amazing. For this price, it's so good. It's amazing drugstore eyeshadow palette with a lot of colors. Like, you can create a lot of looks with this palette, and I'm actually going to do 4 or 3 more looks with this palette, I'm thinking. Please let me know in the comments if you want more tutorials on this palette. I think it's great to show how you can create looks with a drugstore palette. You don't need too expensive palette. I mean, that's fun to have and to play around with, and you can definitely see a change with a expensive palette and a more drugstore version. But I also think it's fun to show that you don't need to spend too much money on makeup. But I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe and thumbs up this video if you did. Also, my social medias are going to be linked down in the description, so if you want to follow me there. What are you waiting on? No. But until I make another video, you guys take care.